Good morning. This is Seth Nagel with the National Weather Service here in San Angelo, Texas. And this is an updated briefing for late in the week, Thursday, June 12th, 2025. We're looking at generally warmer and drier conditions through the next several days than what we've seen the past week or so. Although we do still have a marginal risk for some strong to severe storms Friday evening, generally north of Mertzen to San Angelo to Brownwood line. The key points, clearly the marginal risk for severe storms is something to be concerned about. The main concerns will be large hail and damaging wind gusts. And other than that, the warmer temperatures and drier weather expected through much of next week will also be something to consider. Here is the severe weather outlook for Friday evening. We can see that darker green area. That's the marginal risk. That's where we have the best chance for any severe storms. There is a complex of storms, or maybe a pair of complexes that will approach our western counties Friday evening. There is some question right now as to whether or not these thunderstorm complexes will actually survive all the way into our area. But if they do, we do have a risk for hail up to the size of quarters and or some damaging wind gusts to around 60 miles an hour. Obviously, frequent lightning will accompany any of these, frequent dangerous lightning will accompany any thunderstorms that occur. And we will have the potential for some locally heavy rainfall as well. Here's the extended forecast. And as we can see, there's some decent rain chances. The 55% for Brownwood today, that was mainly during the morning hours. Same for San Saba. Looks like it'll be dry the rest of today. And then through the rest of the next several days, we're looking at pretty minimal rain chances. You can see the 15% at Haskell and Sweetwater on Friday. That coincides with that possibility for some severe weather. And then generally 5 to 10% chances throughout the rest of the next week. And on the temperature side, we can see that we're in the 80s today for most areas, but then we steadily climb into the mid to upper 90s and possibly even a few readings of around 100 degrees early next week. Here's the climate long range outlook, the 6 to 10 days. So following our 7-day forecast, we're looking at generally still above normal temperatures expected post our 7-day forecast. And we do still have a chance for additional rainfall after this, what looks to be a generally drier pattern over the next 5 to 7 days. So we do have a chance to see some more rainfall following the next 7 days. Here is the drought summary, the current drought summary. It looks like we've improved just a little bit in our southern areas, and we did receive additional rainfall this week after this outlook was published. So could see some more improvement next week as well. Here's a reminder of the areas that we refer to: the Big Country, Concho Valley, Heartland, Northwest Hill Country, Northern Edwards Plateau. Another reminder that NOAA Weather Radio scheduled outage could extend into Friday as the AWIPS upgrade that we had planned this week will be ongoing through today and possibly into Friday. The next briefing will be published by next Monday around noon, June 16, 2025. And here's some more of our weather information. Thanks for stopping by and listening to the briefing. We will update this next week. Thanks.